Okay, first you're going to want to head over to flippity.net, and from there you'll be shown plenty of options that a teacher can use. And basically what these are is tools for teachers. So there's anywhere from flashcards to scavenger hunts, to printable bingo sheets, to leaderboards. There's tons of different options on here. I'll go ahead and scroll through the rest, but as you can see, there's many of options. And basically these options here are the ones that teachers are going to have to create their document or thing through a Google spreadsheet. So as you can see here, they have demo, instructions, and template. So if you press demo, this is what it's going to take you to, and it's a demonstration of how the game's played, what it can turn into, and so that way it's a teacher can see is, oh, if this is really what I want to use for my class, is this something that will be good for my class? And then once you press instructions, here it'll tell you what you have to do in order to actually change it and make it your own. So it's very user friendly. And then once you click template, it'll take you to a Google spreadsheet where you have to make a copy. And the only thing is it's kind of laggy, but it's creating a whole document for you that you have to change and insert things. So once it loads, I'll show you here that I'm still loading. Okay, so now that it's in my Google Spreadsheets, I'm able to edit the document in itself. So this is like a Jeopardy game here, so we'll just do something silly. What is my name? And question mark, and then I can change it to the answer to my name. And a teacher can do that for this entire document. So it could be a study material for a test, like this thing has here. It has a bunch of different random questions, but a teacher can easily change this into something that is related to their documents. And then once I have the whole thing edited as a teacher, I'm going to go ahead and make sure my share settings are on like public to all. Okay, so it's restricted now. Now I'm going to change it to anyone. Oh, with the link. Okay, and now I have to go to File, Publish to the Web, Entire Document, and Publish. You go ahead and say OK. And then, so you're given the link. But once it's published, this is what you're going to go do. You're going to get the link from down here, and it's going to take you to your actual game. So now, I changed the world capitals, but I changed the first question to what is my name? And so that's obviously my editing on this Jeopardy game. And then I click it and it goes to Lee Harding. And from here you're going to say, which team got it right. So it's really cool, really easy to use once you get the hang of it. But there's also an option for teachers to skip the spreadsheet, which makes it even quicker. So the only downside is that most of these are the printable things. So if you were to do a word scramble, so we could do Lily, Kennedy, Daniel, Emma, Almond, and you could do a word scramble. But these are the printable ones. They're not played online. So you see that they're given the word scramble, but it's only printable. It's not an online thing. So that's the only downside to the skipping the spreadsheet part. And then here's just some of the top recommended things that are used on the website the most. But overall, this website has plenty of study, review, and even just learning options that's user-friendly for teachers.